What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, if you're new here, my name's Brad and this is Be Modified. So as you guys can probably tell by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be installing some window tint on the Sonoma today. Now before we get started, I just want to tell you guys I'm not a professional. This is not a how-to job. I'm just taking you guys along with the process. This is about probably my second time doing this, so I do have an idea as to what to do. I've watched a few videos on YouTube. So as you guys seen in the intro there, I went ahead and took the side windows out of my truck, which I had the luxury of doing because I haven't re-riveted them back into the truck. For those of you that know all about how those go back into these Sonomas and S10s. The reason I haven't done that is because I'm going to be re-clear coating the truck, but that's whatever. So as you guys also have seen, I went ahead and removed my door panels. That makes the process a lot easier as well. All the windows have been steel wooled them because I think they had some overspray on them. So they're nice and clean. We're ready to do an install kit. As far as the window tint, I went ahead and got this pre-cut window tint kit, and I ordered it straight from our vinyl. I tried to install some of this on the Cadia that we had, and I was not successful with it, but that's because I wasn't doing it right. Before we get started on this, I just want to say this is not a paper motion whatsoever. I believe I'm going with like 20% because, as most of you probably know, the side windows, which are right here, you can tell that they're pretty much tinted from the factory, and the back window is also. So that's going to make things really dark on the inside. The front windows will still be legal. That way we won't have to worry about getting pulled over. I don't think I ordered the eyebrow with it. I wish I would have, but I don't think I did because, for those of you that don't know, I don't know if you can tell, but the windshield has a crack in it, so I'm gonna have to have a new windshield put in once we start driving it. Not a big deal, it's not in the line of sight, it's like right down the center. So I'm not too worried about that just yet. But anyway guys, that's enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and get this window kit installed. So like I said, I'm not a professional at this, but we're gonna do our best. So I'm gonna spray the window down with this window film application solution, and then I'm gonna put the film on there, spray it down, and then I'm going to squeegee it out with this guy, and hopefully it works. So we'll just get this window nice and saturated. Alright, now that we got this plastic peeling back, finally, there we go. So I'm just going to peel this back and lay it down as I go. Now I just need to like position this thing where I want it. Looks like I'm gonna want to slide up a little. It's really hard to tell because I can't see through the glass now. Oh, we're dripping. That's okay. It looks like it's covering everywhere. I'm pretty sure from watching other videos, you don't want to just squeegee this thing dry like it is. You want to spray it down again. That way your squeegee doesn't grab it and try to pull it all over the place. So I'm going to hold the top side and just go ahead and squeegee the bottom side out. Yeah, there we go. Looks like it's laying down pretty darn nice. Try to squeegee out all the water. Or whatever that solution is. It's probably just some kind of soapy water, most likely. Alright, that window's done. On to the next one. Well, you guys just see me do the side window, so I'm going to skip you through this one, and I'm going to pick you back up when we get onto one of those door windows. I'm just going to stick it on there so I can peel it easier. Alright, let's try to get this thing positioned. Alright, squeegee that on. Get it kind of set in place so we can finish peeling the bottom half off. Look at this, guys. This is turning out quite nicely. Just gonna wipe that off and call it good. Move on to the next one. Well guys, you've seen the process, so I'm gonna go ahead, just throw you guys on a time lapse, let you guys watch me just knock the rest of it out, and we'll get this thing rolled out into the driveway again and see what it looks like with these tinted windows. Well guys, like I said, I'm not a professional. This dang driver window really didn't turn out so great. I don't know if you can make it out, but right there, yeah, you can see it. Right there, the window tint wrinkled up on me and it just won't lay flat. it is what it is. I'm gonna leave it for now. Maybe I'll retint this window in the future. Passenger window went really well, as you guys seen. It turned out, actually, I mean, it looks really good. You can't tell that it's tinted so much. You kind of can if you compare it to that front window there, but I mean, on camera it looks amazing, but I can tell in person that this is kind of some cheap window tint. You guys probably can't make it out in the camera, but it looks like it's just kind of like bubbly a little bit. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just doesn't look like it's smooth on the window. Well, I'm sure you guys can tell that I probably should have left this to the professionals. This tint job looks like crap. Let me show you the outside. Kind of hard to tell on the back window because it was already tinted from the factory, but yeah, it looks like crap. I don't know if you guys can make that out or not, but there are a ton of wrinkles in it. That's probably gonna be it for this video. I'm not gonna take it out of the garage because I can't roll the window down on the driver's side to be able to steer it out the garage. You know, if I roll the window down, I might take a chance of ruining that crappy window tint job I did over there. But you can see, it looks way better now. Back window's a little bit darker. Front windows are definitely a huge difference. That back window there, it's way darker, even though you probably can't tell. And it looks really good as long as you don't look at those bubbles. But other than that, I mean, I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. I mean, if I hadn't screwed up on the back window and the driver front window, I would be really happy with it. But like I said, guys, I'm not a professional. I really didn't expect it to turn out as good as it did. I honestly expected to have it done by a professional. I just wanted to do a video for you guys and see if I could actually accomplish it myself. It's a lot harder than you think, way harder than it definitely looks on YouTube, so watch out for that, guys. Maybe it's this pre-cut window tint kit, maybe the window tint's not that great, I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping in. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. If you did, smash that like button, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and just like that, catch you guys in the next one.